In this short video tutorial, I'm just going to take you through how I built a one-page engine. This page I will be saving as index.php. First of all, I connect to the database, and that's this line here, and I've got a file called connections.php in a directory called includes. The connections.php file is just a connection to my database. Next, I look up the URL and I store it in a variable called URL. If the URL is either index.php or blank, I know that they are looking for the home page, and I redirect them to my home page, and that is called home.html. Next, I connect to the database and I look up the database. I select all from the table pages where the URL equals my URL variable. I also look up the number of rows, and if the number of rows is greater than 0, then I can look up the variables. And here are all the variables in my database. So I look up the ID, the type, the title, the URL, description, price and image. Obviously some pages like category pages won't necessarily have prices or images. Then I use a switch statement and I can quickly redirect to the relevant pages. So first of all, I look at the type, and if the type is cat, I know that it's a category page, and I redirect the user to category.php, and I've got this section on the end which is sending them to the ID equals $ID, which I can then look up on category.php, and I know exactly what category the person's looking at. Again, if the product page is requested, the case is pro, and I redirect them to product.php, again with a search query of $ID equals $ID. Then I look up a web page, and this is called page.php with a search query at the end. And finally, the default is 404.php, and this is our sorry page. So then we've got all eventualities all the way from the home page, a category page, a product page, a web page and a 404 error page, all contained in one neat little index.php file.